Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. So guys, I receive a lot of queries from students that sir, we do not have any project in our resume and we have our interview scheduled. So can we skip our project in the resume and directly go in the interview? So the short answer for this question is no. Project plays a very important role in your resume as well as a significant part in your interview selection. Okay, I know many of the students struggle while making the projects. They do not know from where what idea they can pick and how to start the project. So guys, for solving this problem in this particular video I will be discussing three ready to use front-end projects that you can directly include in your resume. Okay, and I will also be discussing how you will have to explain these projects in your resume and what are the interview questions that can come around these particular projects. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the end because it will be very much helpful for you as a fresher especially. Okay, each and everything I will be discussing in detail, so make sure to watch this video till the end. And before moving ahead, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button because I will continuously make such videos regarding the fresher hiring or placement preparation. Okay, so now let's start this video. Okay, so guys, the first project is the personal portfolio project. Currently, I am using the Sundar Pichai's information for this project, but you can customize it for yourself also. So in this particular project, the tech stack that is used is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. Now, this is a entire, it is a your resume in the form of the website. Okay, so there is a home section wherein you can give your name and your position and your images. Next is the about service in which you can include about yourself, your skills, your experience, your education. Next is the work section, that is what is your expertise in, any skills that you have acquired during the college or any extraordinary skills you can mention here. Next is the portfolio, that is what is your work, any research paper, any other project that have been deployed somewhere, you can add those things here. Okay, and last section is the contact me. Okay, so this is a basically your resume as a website. Okay, I have given a generic template of Sundar Pichai, but it can be customized by some small changes only. It can be customized as your own website. Okay, now when you are explaining this project in the interview, what all points you can notice. So we have given a dedicated PDF also in which all the things how you have to explain your project in the resume and what all points you can encounter. Okay, what you can include. So project overview, technology used, what are the key features of your project. Okay, next thing is UI UX highlights, challenges faced, because in interviews the first question is what challenges you faced in this project. Next is possible improvements. See, this is this is a basic project, what all improvements you can do in future, what all things, what all features you can add in it. Okay, what this project demonstrates about me, and a summary of how you can explain this project in the interview. So this is the first project that you can consider ready to use project that you can add in your resume, and it will be give a good impression to the interviewer that yes, the candidate has some skills and he has used it to build a static website. Okay, so this was the first project. Now let's move towards the next project. Okay, so guys, the next project is the e-learning website. Now, this is a multi-page website end to end. Okay, and again, the tech stack that have been used is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. And again, it's a pure front-end application. So this is basically our Code Bashers website, wherein all the services regarding us are mentioned here. Okay, so this is the intro. Then again, lot of you can see here, lot of layouts have been used here. Why you choose Code Basher for placement, about Code Bashers, again there are a lot of layouts that have been used. Explore free courses, for which companies we are catering to. Again, see this functionality that when we hover then there is a light that is coming. Okay, then there is a company specific preparation series, add to cart option is there. These are our services which you can directly add to your cart. All these things are there. Then if you want to apply, so you can apply via here. Then again, frequently asked questions that generally the e-commerce or e-learning platforms have. Then again, there is a contact section. Again, there is one feature here that in the bottom, if you will click, you will directly scroll up to the top. Okay, in latest website you can see this. Then there are multiple pages about self, courses that we are offering, testimonials, sign in sign up feature, all these things are there. So again, I am saying that this is a static website, but again it will be very much eye pleasing to the interviewers because lot of layouts, different layouts and different techniques have been used inside this particular application. Again, how you will have to explain this application in detail in your interview, I have a dedicated PDF for it also. So again, project overview, technology use, project structure, key features that there are a lot of response bars in this particular thing. Okay, then there are UI UX highlights, technical understanding, challenges that you faced, what can be improved in this particular website. Okay, what does this project shows, and again there is a summary how you have to explain in the interview. So all these things you can consider while explaining this project in the interview, and interview will be very happy. And again, I'm saying this is an eye pleasing website if you're able to deploy it, or you can add screenshots for it in that Google Drive and attach it in your resume so that the interviewer can see. So it will give a good impression to the interviewer. So this was the second project. Now let's move towards the third project. Okay, so guys, the next project is the crypto house. In this project, what we are doing is we are fetching the live prices of the cryptocurrency, whether it is Bitcoin or any other thing. What we are doing here, what tech stack is we are using here is again HTML, CSS, JavaScript is common, but we are using React libraries also, and there is a API integration also that is happening at the backend, so that we can fetch the live prices of the cryptocurrency. Now, what are the features of this project? The main features, see here, all the live prices are there for whether Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, anything is there. Next, these are in USD. You can always convert it into any other currency. Let's suppose INR. So now the prices have been converted to INR. Okay, these are the current prices. Then there is one more functionality that is provided here is the dark mode and the light mode. So this is something new that the interview will be impressed with. So you can click on this button and it will be simply dark mode and light mode will be enabled. Then again, if you will click on any of the cryptocurrency, you will see that there is a proper chart that is getting formed and all these things. So again, this is a basically, it is not a static website, it's a website in which we have integrated an API that will regularly fetched at certain intervals. It will keep on fetching the live prices. Okay, and this will be again a very important project that can you can add in the resume. And how you have to explain this project in the interview, again there is a dedicated PDF for it. Okay, everything, project overview, text tag, architecture is there, key features are there. Okay, so again, what challenges you faced, how you overcome those challenges, technical concept demonstrated. So all these things are mentioned alongside this project as well. And again, it's a live, it's an interactive project. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So now all the three projects I have discussed. Now, guys, you will be thinking that okay, these projects are good and we can add them in your resume. But what about the questions that will be revolving around this project? I have in every videos I have told that technology stack that you are using in the project, they are the potential questions in the interview. So for that thing also we have solved it. So what we have done for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, these are common in these projects. So we have given the important interview questions that can come around these subjects. So for HTML also there are around 30 to 40 important interview questions that can directly be asked. For CSS also there are 30 to 40 questions which can directly be asked in the interview, which are very important and commonly asked. Similarly for the JavaScript also. So these things also we have taken into effect. So as a bundle, so see, as a bundle, what all things you will be getting. So three ready to use front-end projects for your resume, and as a bundle, three project zip you will be getting which are ready to use. You just have to download them, and there is a step-by-step guide also given how to run the project. Okay, and a detailed PDF explaining how to present the projects in the interview. And similarly, in this bundle we have curated list of common HTML, CSS, and JavaScript interview questions as well, so you can confidently crack the interviews. So if you are interested, that you think that these projects can benefit you and you can add them in the resume and they can benefit you in the interview, then do check them out. They are listed on our top mid page of Code Bashers. Okay, currently the price is 199 rupees, but for the first 50 people there is a 20% discount that is going on. Okay, the links you can find in the description box as well as the coupon code, and your effective price will be around 150 once you apply that coupon, but that is applicable for only 50 people. So if you think that these projects are helpful and they are solving your problem, then do check out this product at our top mid page. All the links you can find in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. And thank you for watching this video, and do write in the comment section that what type of videos you want to see on this channel and what more things I can make as a product I can make, because there are a lot of existing product also wherein for different companies we have the preparation material. Actually ask questions of those companies. So similarly we have included this three ready to use front end projects for resume. In future AI projects and Java based projects will also be there, but as of now if you think that these projects are good, then you can add in your resume. Thank you for watching this video.